Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Chrome extension called Read and Write. Then we'll proceed to set up an account, and then at the end giving you a quick demo about the program. Okay, so the very first step is to install the extension, and we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store for that. So we type chromewebstore.google.com on your address bar. That'll take you to the actual web store. Okay, and once you're at the web store, you can simply do a search for Read and Write. It'll be one of your top choices here. If you click on that extension, if you have not installed the app, you will see the option that says Add to Chrome. In my case, it says Removed from Chrome because I have it installed. Okay, so once you install the app or the extension, it would appear here on your browser. Okay, if it's not pinned, it's not gonna come up here, but if you want to make it display here at all times, you can simply go to the listing of all the extensions you have, look for the extension Read and Write, and make sure the pin is on. Okay, if you turn it off, it disappears. If you turn on the pin, it comes back. Okay, so that is how to install the extension. Now let's go ahead and set up an account. For that, we're going to go to a site called texthelp.com. So here we're going to go to pricing. You're going to see some other products being promoted here. The one we want is this one. So if you notice the buy now button right below that, there's a link that says free for teachers. We're going to go there and we're going to scroll down a little bit and then click on Read and Write. Now we're going to be asked to enter some information about ourselves. So we're going to enter your first name, last name, your title, and so on and so forth. And then at the end, make sure that you do click on Submit. It'll take about 24 hours for them to give you full access to the actual program, but at this point, you can still use some of the basic features in the program. Okay, so that is how you set up an account. Now to quickly demo the program for you, let me start at a website, and now notice that right now the program Read and Write is actually activated at this point because I can see all the tools that are available here. If I close it, if I click on the X and want to recall the program again, I can click on the extension up here and the program will come back. If you hover over some of these tools, you're going to momentarily see a description as to what they are. This one's used to make predictions or to predict what the word would be as you're typing. This is to activate the hover speech, a dictionary, a play button, pause, stop, and so on. There's some highlighting tools available here as well. The feature that I'm going to demo for you at this time is going to be the text-to-speech. Okay, so to do that, a student is going to simply click and drag or highlight their content and then hit the play button.
San Diego Zoo Wildlife Alliance is an international, nonprofit conservation organization with 2 front doors. We integrate wildlife.
So this program can work either on a website, such as this one, or if you have an actual Google Doc like this one, this is a slide, a Google slide, and so same process.
Lions are large, powerfully built cats that are second in size to the tiger.
If you feel that the speed is too fast for the student, you can go to the actual settings for the app. If you look at the toolbar and go all the way to the right until you see the 3 dots up here, click there one time and then go down to settings. You're going to see some other preferences that you can set up. If you go down to speech here on the left side, you're going to see that you can change the voice. You can go from a female voice to a male voice, and so on and so forth. If you want for the program to do the reading continuously, you can check this off. If it's off, it'll only read one sentence at a time. Okay, and then other things you can set up here under speech is to turn on or off the ability to have the program speak on each word as it's being typed or a sentence by the student. Okay everyone, so that concludes the video on how to install the extension, how to set up an account, and how to use the app. Thank you.